how to replace a battery in a Jeep key fob. First thing first, we're gonna release the key itself, and then we're gonna put the key in here and lift it. One side is enough. Once we open it, sometimes the circuit board can fall off, but you can just put it right back down there. To release the battery, I just need something smaller, so I'm gonna use my wine opener, just like so. And then you can see it's CR2032, and when you put it back, you kind of slide it in. Okay, and then we just close it. Now we can put the key back in there.